Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated release of GIMP 3.0. This new version brings some game-changing features that will take your graphic design and photo editing workflows to the next level. Whether you're a longtime GIMP user or just getting started, this update is packed with exciting improvements. Let's break down the most important features. GIMP 3.0 now uses the GTK3 toolkit. This means better support for modern systems, especially for those using high DPI displays, providing a much sharper, more scalable user interface. On top of that, the overall UI has been refreshed, giving it a more modern and intuitive feel. One of the biggest enhancements is the integration of the EGL, generic graphics library. With this, GIMP 3.0 introduces non-destructive editing. This allows you to apply filters, transformations, and adjustments while keeping the original image intact. You can now make edits with real-time previews and go back to adjust them at any time, offering a lot more flexibility and control over your projects. Another huge improvement is the ability to select and manipulate multiple layers at once. This feature has been highly requested, and it makes complex projects much easier to manage. You'll be able to save time and reduce the number of steps in your workflow. Additionally, GIMP 3.0 enhances compatibility with Wayland and touchscreen devices, making it even more versatile for users with modern setups. Whether you're using a touch interface or a display server like Wayland, GIMP is ready to offer a seamless experience. Finally, there are updates to existing tools and much better support for plugins. These improvements ensure that GIMP 3.0 is not only faster, but also more customizable, allowing you to tailor the software to your specific needs. In conclusion, GIMP 3.0 is a major leap forward for open-source image editing. From non-destructive editing to better multi-layer handling and modern hardware support, this release is designed to meet the demands of today's creators. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the perfect time to upgrade and explore all the new features for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tools and tech for creatives. Thanks for watching.